Today we're going to show you how to switch from the standard grading to the pass-fail option at Tarleton State University. To begin, you'll want to head to our main webpage, and that's at www.tarleton.edu. Once here, you will want to hover over the Login tab and select the My Gateway option. Next, you'll want to click the My Gateway Login button and enter your university ID number and password. Once you're in My Gateway, please select the Student tab on the left-hand side of your screen, and then you'll want to navigate over to the Duck Tracks menu button. Next, you'll select Online Services and Financial Aid, and Registration, and then Student Detail Schedule. You'll want to be sure that you select Spring 2020 and Submit. On this page is where you'll see your grade mode and standard, which is hyperlinked. You'll want to click on standard. And here is where you will be able to select grade mode and switch from standard to pass-fail if that's what you wish. Be sure to go through all of your classes and select the grade mode that you are wanting, whether that be standard or the pass-fail option. Once you have selected your grade mode, you may click Submit Changes.